There was a home that we actually bought in Denver that was damaged by hail last spring, and the insurance company only covered part of the roof. It was only partial coverage, unfortunately, and the repair estimate to actually list the house was more than the homeowner wanted to spend on a house he was already planning to leave, right? So he was like, "Well, I'm not going to put any repairs into this. I want as much equity as possible." So, if it was only a partial coverage for the roof, he was going to use that for that, but he didn't have the money to fix up the rest of the house or fix more than what was needed. So we factored the roof condition into the offer, and instead of asking him to fix it first, we just bought it as is without him spending a dollar on repairs. And the biggest takeaway is you don't have to fix damage before you sell it. We can make a direct offer exactly what it's worth, and a lot of times it's more than what you think. So if you're looking to sell a house that needs work, whether it's roof damage or whatever it is, just comment sell, and I will talk to you soon.